So what I'm going to do now is make the molds for my buttons. I think that they do sell pre-made molds for buttons, so you know you can buy those. I'm pretty sure a couple of websites have them, but I'm going to make my own because it's just easier. So equal parts of the modeling putty. You can use the putty, the amazing putty, or you can use the silicone putty that make your own mold cells. That stuff is really good and it's food grade also. So you want equal parts. Trying to get it equal, okay. And I have my molds here, and you mix them together. You've got about 5 minutes working time with this particular putty. So mix it really well. And it's firm and usable in about 20 minutes, so it's very fast. Okay, so what I've got, here's my button. Make a nice ball, so no creases. And I'm going to take my button, place it in here, firmly press it and around this way. Okay, so there it is. And then I have another one here. No creases. And the nice thing about this is if you don't have enough putty, you can always add more to it once it's cured. That looks pretty good. Okay, so we'll wait 20 minutes and then we'll have button molds. While we're waiting for that, we're going to go ahead and make our pins. Normally you would cut your spaghetti because if you break it, it actually breaks all the way up the shaft, but we're not really doing anything that stressful with our spaghetti, so I am just going to break it. Now I want my pins different lengths, sticking out of my pin cushion different lengths. Okay, and I did not want to do a bunch of wires or toothpicks in this cake. I want to make it edible, which is why I'm using the spaghetti. So I'm just going to break it here, okay, like so. And it's extra long, longer than I need, because remember some of that's going to insert into the cake. I'm going to pour a little bit of my vodka. And I happen to have the Moonstone here, the new silver. Works also very well. This is the Moonstone. They both look silver, so you know, it's whatever your little heart desires, whatever you've got. They both make a really nice silver. This is more of a pewter silver, but it's, again, really good. And you just paint. Believe it or not, the spaghetti paints really well. You definitely want to use the alcohol or the lemon extract, because if you use water, you're going to wilt your spaghetti and then you have bendy pins, and that doesn't work. But this is what I'm going to do, just like that. And I'll stick it in a little piece of foam. I have some styrofoam. They can be different lengths, different colors, different lengths. And just paint it, and you just turn the little spaghetti as you paint it, just like so. Paints beautifully. The excess off. Okay. So this is a nice bright silver. And just paint it on. See, it's a lighter one, but still just as shiny.